Hey guys, Troy here. This is Obedience by Lindy Conant and the Circuit Riders. I hope I said her last name right. I think I did. This was a request that I got a long time ago, and I listened to it, loved the song, wanted to do it. But if you haven't noticed, I haven't posted a video in like 3 weeks up until that What a Beautiful Name, Break Every Chain video I posted maybe a couple days ago now. I hadn't done anything in a while because the room that I do all the stuff in for Guitar for His Glory and practicing for church and all that, actually ended up getting a leak in the basement wall over here, right there. So I have a piece of drywall ripped out over here, and we had to have some work done outside. So I was kind of out of commission for a little while, and back in the saddle now, trying to do some catch-up work and that sort of thing. So happy to be back. And this is the song that I wanted to tackle pretty much right from the get-go, getting things back in order. So Obedience, right? The song, the lyrics, what a great song, what a great premise. You know, it's that idea that, and I'll say this, I got it from Matt Chandler early on in my walk with Jesus. So I didn't get saved till I was 26. I'm 34 now. So I met Jesus as an adult man, and I learned a lot, right, about myself. Wow. And Matt Chandler, one of my favorite pastors, what he says, and it's bold, but it's true. He says, if you have no desire for obedience, then you are not a Christian. If you have no desire to obey the King of Kings, you are not his. And that really made me look at the fruit that I was bearing. And it's not this idea that you're saved by doing works. It's this idea that you do the works that the Lord has prepared for you beforehand. It says that in Ephesians 2. You do those works because you are saved. You are motivated by that salvation. You are not motivated to that salvation. Like, I want salvation, so I'm going to do these things. No, you're motivated because you are saved. And that's important. And this song is bold for saying that. I love that. I love it. It says that it's more than words, more than a song. It's my life laid down. There's action involved. We got to get to work, brothers and sisters. There are people out there that need to hear the gospel. There are broken people. There are hurting people that need the love of Christ through his people. So hopefully you can say amen to that, and we can put some action behind our words, right? I want to give a quick shout out too to Curtis over at Lambertone's Pickups. These pickups, I put them in both of these guitars that I have. The Crema for Jazzmaster pickups. And since I don't have a single coil guitar, I actually had these split. So I split it for this song. So what you're hearing is the single coil split pickup of the Crema for Jazzmaster by Lambertones. What a super, super awesome pickup. Love what he's doing, and I endorse his pickups. And you can head over to the website. Sorry, dry throat. Probably because I'm pigging out on all this stuff. I'm having a cheat day. Brownies, Starbucks. Whew. Anyways, I'm a little hyped up on coffee too, if you can't tell. Jeez, oh Pete's. Anyways, head over to the website and check out Lambertone's pickups. I have a full write-up on GuitarforHISGLORY.com. You can check out, or you can just go right to his website and just buy them. They're so good. I put them in like all my guitars, basically. Anywho, tabs, tones, pedal board shot, breakdown stuff, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com. You can check that out by becoming a member. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this playthrough of Obedience by Lindy Conant and the Circuit Riders. See you guys.
With my life, my everything, my tears they fall before you. find it in Jesus Christ. It's my joy to lose my life and find it in Jesus Christ. I find it in Jesus Christ.